Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel and to another video, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we are going to make lightening fish cream, and this is just the outcome of it. And if you want to know how I achieved this, kindly stay tuned, do not go anywhere, watch this video to the end, and please do what to like and share with friends and family. Let's begin this. Welcome back, guys. So I have here my scale and a bowl to mix this facial cream, and this bowl is already sanitized and well clean. So I have here my base cream, which I did off camera because I do not want to prolong this video. And I'm going to measure 50 grams of this base cream because I'm going to make 50 grams of face cream. Hope I make sense here. All right, so this bowl I have on my scale here is already sanitized, well clean. Okay, so now I'm going to on the scale, then we start measuring our base cream for this remedy. Okay, so if it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. Kindly join this beautiful family by subscribing and hitting on notification bell so you'll be notified when there's a new video. And please do well to share with friends and family as well. Okay, and to my OGs, my old bees here, thank you so much for coming through each and every time I post a video. Okay, so we have our 50 grams of base cream here, as you can see on the scale. Okay, so we are going to put the scale aside, then we add the other ingredient that will help the skin lighten up the skin. Okay, so I'm adding in my tea tree oil. I'm just going to put in some few drops of it. Okay, so I was counting. All right, so that's 4 drops of tea tree oil. Now I'm going to add white secret oil to this base cream. This white secret oil helps remove blackhead and spot. It also contains vitamin E and also lighten up the skin. Okay, remember we are doing face cream that will lighten the skin. Okay, so that's the reason why we are adding this lighting oil. Okay, so I'm just putting in some few drops. I also counted that was 4 drops of white secret oil. Okay, so my next ingredient I'm going to be using is Gluta white serum. This helps to rejuvenate and renew your skin and make your skin so soft, smooth, firm and elastic. Okay, so this is very good when applied on the skin. So I'm just going to put in a few drops of this Gluta white in this base cream. Okay, remember we are doing lighting face cream. All right, so I just put in some few drops of this serum. So our next ingredient I'm going to add is abana oil. So this oil helps get rid of stubborn pimples, dark spots, damage and aging skin, and also help with stretch mark if you add in your body cream. Okay, so I'm just putting in a few drops as well. Okay, so we mix everything together. So my next ingredient is Nesta Glow Oil. So this is going to help glow up the skin, help with wrinkles, and also make the skin look very bright and very smooth. Okay, so I'm just going to drop in some few drop, okay, of this Nesta Glow Oil. So I'm just going to mix everything together, then we are done with our face cream. Okay, so I added perfume off camera. I thought, not off camera, but I thought I was filming, not to know I wasn't filming. Okay, so I have here my container well sanitized. Okay, whenever you have a container you want to put a product in, you need to sanitize it with 100% alcohol. Okay, so yeah, this is 50 grams of face cream and it's ready to be used. This is going to help with dark spots, wrinkles, smooth up your skin, brighten up the skin as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like what you have watched so far, kindly give it a thumbs up, share with friends and family, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye bye.